Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to change your offline screen on Twitch. First, open Twitch in your browser and log into your account. Look at the top right and click your profile picture. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Now click the channel and videos. This will open the creator dashboard settings. On the left side, you will see a tab called Brand. Click that to access your visual customization options. Scroll until you see the video player banner. This is the image that viewers see when you are offline. It is different from your profile banner, and it will only show when your stream is not live. Click the Update button next to the video player banner. A window will open where you can upload an image from your computer. Choose a clean and clear image that represents your channel. You can use your logo, your schedule, or a call to action to follow your channel. Make sure the file is the correct size recommended by Twitch so the image fits properly. Select the image file and upload it. Once it finishes uploading, Twitch will automatically save it. Your offline screen is now updated. Thanks for watching.